Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. I'm happy to present you this Turkish Delight chicken. I gave it this name because it is soft, easy to make and delightful to eat. We will bake it together with the side dish, spicy potatoes with red peppers. Prepare a simple salad while it bakes and our menu will be ready in no time. So let's begin. For the chicken marinade, I have 1 heaped tablespoon tomato paste, and this is homemade red pepper paste I made last year. I have the recipe, check the links. It makes it more colorful and richer in taste, but it's optional. 1 tablespoon yogurt and about 2-3 tablespoon olive oil. To that I'm adding 3 cloves of garlic, and for the seasonings I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon black pepper, red pepper flakes, pul biber, oregano, and half teaspoon paprika, it is hot, and cumin, and a bit of salt, about half teaspoon again, because my tomato paste is also salty. And I have about 1 kilogram boneless chicken thigh. It's one of the best parts, more flavorful. Try to get it with skin on, since we're gonna bake it in the oven. It helps to keep the meat soft and also create a nice skin. So I nicely mixed everything with the marinade, and I'm going to rest it in the fridge, better for at least 6 hours. You can make it in the morning, or at least for 2 hours, give it a rest, so it will be more flavorful. For the potatoes, I cut them in wedges and then cut it again like a square. This way it will be similar in shape with the chicken thigh. If you are more crowded, you can use more, make it in 2 pans, but with this amount it was enough to fill and perfectly cooked in a regular big baking tray. So I'm using 5 medium-sized potatoes and 2 red peppers, again cutting in the similar size in big chunks. And for the green peppers, these were very hot, so I couldn't use much. If you have milder one, you can use more, it really gives more flavor. And to season my vegetable mix, I'm using salt, pul biber, red pepper flakes, oregano again, and paprika. Drizzle good amount of olive oil. Last minute I decided to add some black pepper too, and give it a nice mix. As a final touch, I decided to add some sesame seeds, and these are the leftover ones from the simit I made recently. It was mixed with a little bit molasses, so I didn't put them back to the jar, and I just wanted to use it here. I have baking paper on my tray to prevent sticking. Just nicely spread the veggies on the half side and place the chicken thigh. To make it look better, I tuck the sides under each piece, making sure the skin covers the meat and it is on top. Don't waste the excess marinade. Just spread them over the chickens and they are ready to bake at 200 Celsius degree preheated oven. I'm not gonna cover the top, but make sure to check it often so it doesn't dry out. It takes about 45 minutes. You can check after 35. And meanwhile, I'm making my salad. I have iceberg. Using about half of it, I cut it roughly. And to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of red cabbage. Just chop it finely. And to soften it a little bit, I add some salt and give it a nice mix together so it softens, and add to the iceberg along with some finely chopped parsley, some tomatoes and cucumbers. I'm gonna add the tomatoes after the dressing so they stay on top. Just drizzle some olive oil, pomegranate molasses, it's optional, and sumac. This gives a nice soury taste, again from Turkish cuisine, a nice spice we use. And now the tomatoes and the lemon juice. I forgot to add it before the tomatoes. It's done. And here is our Turkish delight chicken along with potato side dish. They are nicely cooked, still soft, and smells perfect. We really loved the menu as a family. As you can see, it's very easy to make, perfect for summer. After transferring to the plate, brush the tops of the chicken with the remaining fat that is on the tray, because that's the real deal, and it's ready. I completed with homemade iced tea. Again, I have the recipe on my channel. I hope you give it a try and like it. If you do, please give your comments, share your photos with me from my Instagram account, Turkish Food and Travel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Stay tuned. Bye.